Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a 2013 Toyota Camry Hybrid LE. This is a 4-door, 5-passenger sedan in magnetic gray metallic. And under the hood you'll find a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch alloy wheels. Some of your exterior features include your acoustic noise reducing windshield, your backup camera, and projector beam headlamps for a great mix of capability and function. Now why don't we head inside and see what else this Camry has to offer. Helping us inside, we got our proximity key, we have the lock and unlock buttons, plus we have our trunk latch button and our panic button as well. So we'll lock right up and I'll show you how that smart key system works. So in order to lock up with the smart key system, all we do is push our finger on these two lines. To unlock, all we do, place our hand in the handle, that opens right up. So I'm just going to unlock the back door so we can check that out before we hop in the front seat. So here we have our beautifully comfy back seat. We have that nice two-tone cloth, and then we have some air circulation just right over here. And then we will open this right up, and we've got our fold-down cup holder for our passengers. So just on our door panel, we have all 4 window buttons. We've got the lock and unlock window lock, plus mirror adjust, and underneath we have some space for our cups and whatever we might need quick access to. So we'll sit down and we have our trunk latch button. We also have our gas cap release. And then just to the left of me right here, we have our levers to adjust our seat. So we'll start right up, and the engine has started. We have our beautiful hybrid system, so you can't really hear it start, but it's there. We have our ready signal right there, and the engine just started. So we have 53,838 kilometers on here, so lots of life remaining. And we're going to be using the display button just right over here on the left hand side to look through our multi-information display, checking out a few different things. Pretty basic, but it's everything you might need to know. See, on the left hand side we have our thermostat as well. On the left hand side we're going to be using this to navigate our entertainment system, and on the right hand side we have our hands-free calling with our cruise control just behind our right hand. So looking at our entertainment system, we have our audio system. We'll press audio and we'll check out what we got. So we do have our AM, we have our FM, we have our CD as well. We can pop down, we have the auxiliary we can pop in, and Bluetooth capability with USB. Popping that off, we can check out all of them. We'll pop it into reverse. And you can see we have our nice backup camera that has some nice crisp view of what we got going on behind us, because safety is first. Then pressing our car button gives us our consumption rates, letting us know what we got going on. Just below that we have our dual zone climate control that is functioning just with the left and right hand dials. We can click to auto, we can go dual, or we can sync right up, and then it just goes to the driver temperature. And then we have our intensity on the left hand side and our function mode on the right hand side. We have our circulation, we have a front window and mirror defrost as well, and just inside here we have our USB and auxiliary, plus we have our 12-volt DC outlet. We can close that right up if we need. We got our electric vehicle mode, and we also have eco mode. We can pop down and we can pop it right into there. So we have our 2 cup holders with a removable insert, some space right there as well. And then we have our pretty large center console for anything really you can pop inside there. Heading a little bit further, we have our lockable glove box, and we can put whatever we might need to pop inside there. We can put our user manual, some Kleenexes, and anything we might need quick access to. Last but not least, we've got our sunglass hutch. Now why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. So before we head into the cargo area of our Camry, a few things to show you. We do have our backup camera just right there, and we've got our nice hybrid Synergy Drive badging along with the LE badging as well, with that defrost in the back window. So we'll open up, we can either press our key on our fob, or we can press that button. So here we have our back seat. You can see we do have the ability to bring that front seat down. All we have to do is pull this, push, and then we can place whatever we need to in this little area right there. Checking out underneath, we've got our spare tire, plus we have all the tools that we need underneath there if we have to change that up. So we can close up Let's take a last look at our Camry Hybrid LE. Some other features include your 6.1-inch touchscreen display with integrated backup camera and Bluetooth connectivity for all your convenience needs. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you. Just coming in and take it for a test drive. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.